In this example, we're going to be taking a look at forming a composition of functions, and then we're going to go ahead and take a look at its domain. So let's go ahead and work with the functions f of x equals x squared plus 3x minus 1, and we have the function g of x equals 2x plus 3. And let's go ahead and take a look at part A for this example. We want to find f follows g. And so keep in mind, if we're working with our functions, I'll go ahead and write this as x. Okay, so this is the same thing as finding f of g of x. So we're going to be starting with our inside function, which is the g of x piece. And we're going to take our function for g of x, and we're going to go ahead and plug it into our function for f. So g of x is this function 2x plus 3. So we're going to be calculating f of 2x plus 3. So each time we see an x in this function for f, we're going to go ahead and plug in a 2x plus 3 right there. So this is going to give us 2x plus 3, the whole thing squared, plus 3 times 2x plus 3, minus 1. So let's go ahead and distribute these pieces out so we can find our function. Keep in mind what it means to square this 2x plus 3. That means we're going to be multiplying that set of parentheses by itself. And then we'll be able to go ahead and distribute on our second set of parentheses here with that 3 that you see out in front. And then we'll go ahead and combine our like terms. Okay, so let's go ahead and distribute these two sets of parentheses first. We're going to get a 4x squared. For this outside term, we're going to get 6x. For our inside term, we'll have another positive 6x. And our last term here is going to give us a positive 9. Right, and let's go ahead and distribute this 3. It's going to give us a positive 6x, positive 9, and then we have this minus 1 at the end. Now let's go ahead and combine our like terms. Right, we've got 4x squared plus 18x plus 17. Right, so that's our composed function. Now we want to go ahead and take a look at the domain of this function. Let's go ahead and graph this first so we can take a look at what it looks like. So I went ahead and graphed our function. This is a parabola, and if we take a look at the domain of our parabola, you'll see that it's going left and right forever with our graph. So our domain here is going to be from negative infinity all the way to positive infinity. Go ahead and try part B on your own, and you can submit those with your notes.